Welcome to Secret Gadgets channel, where you can find the latest gadgets that came in the market. With crystal clear sound, deep bass, and a sleek design, these speakers bring every game to life. Feel every explosion, hear every footstep, and immerse yourself in every detail like never before. To save you time and money, we have collected the 5 best bookshelf speakers for gaming on the market. You can see the product links in the description of the video below. Number 1. These 2.0 channel bookshelf speakers deliver exceptional audio quality with a total power output of 80 watts, 40 watts per channel. Designed for versatility, they feature Bluetooth 5.3 for wireless connectivity with a 10-meter range and multiple input modes, including RCA, USB, and optical. With a frequency range of 45 Hz to 20 kHz, these speakers produce balanced sound, complemented by 3-inch low-frequency and 1-inch high-frequency drivers for rich audio performance. The SNR of greater than or equal to 80 dB ensures clear sound, while distortion is kept below 1%. Equipped with infrared remote and panel controls, these speakers are easy to operate. A sleek display and 100 watts max power capacity make them ideal for immersive listening experiences. Number 2. The Edifier bookshelf speakers are a versatile and premium audio solution designed for discerning listeners. Equipped with balanced TRS, RCA, and aux inputs, along with a convenient headphone output socket, these speakers ensure seamless connectivity for various devices. Hi-Res audio certified, they support 24-bit/96 kHz high-resolution audio processing for exceptional sound clarity. Featuring fine-tuned 3.5 inches mid-low drivers and 1-inch silk dome tweeters, they deliver a balanced and dynamic audio experience. With a flat frequency response from 52 Hz to 40 kHz and innovative dimpled tweeter waveguides, these speakers produce detailed, extended high frequencies, making them ideal for music, movies, and more. Number 3. The Edifier bookshelf speakers combine powerful performance and premium sound quality with their 4-driver design, delivering 42 watts RMS output for an immersive listening experience in any space. With 2-way active crossover control, these speakers are finely tuned to provide a perfect balance of rich, deep lows from the dual 4-inch mid-range/bass drivers and crisp, clear highs from the 0.5-inch silk diaphragm tweeters. Bluetooth V5.1 ensures stable connectivity, high-resolution audio, and energy-efficient performance for versatile use. Enjoy effortless control of all functions using the remote or the intuitive knobs on the right panel, making these speakers a perfect fit for music enthusiasts. Number 4. Number 5.